like
Come around here
lemon.
and smell it, Morgan.
Move your hair,
Smell
don't.
it. Tell me what it smells like.
Doesn't it just have that one?
I don't want to get my face slammed.
Smell to it.
It's got
What
this
is it? It's got that.
flowery,
It's it.
sparkly, princessy smell.
No, I'll smell it.
Did I get it off?
Wait,
I want to do it.
Oh.
Oh, I know what you're talking about now. I know what you're talking about now. Oh. No.
I'll wear your face.
Wait, I'll get it. Just smell it. You need to smell it.
I'll smell it.
No, let Lillian smell it.
Do the split.
Do you smell that? Do you smell that sparkle?
Yeah. That sparkle. It's really good, Lillian.
I didn't want to get slammed.
What are you doing? Everyone smelled it.
Why would anybody smell? Did anybody slam me other than you? Why would anybody? Oh.
All right, smell it now.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
smell
just
it.
smell
This
it.
is really
I just want my face to be slammed in it.
I don't know what you're talking about. Just
Oh, do it.
Just smell it.
Do it. Do it.
Okay.
Move your head, move your head.
Don't ruin
Here.
my cake.
Don't stick your finger.
Go,
Don't ruin it.
go smell it.
Fell over.
Smell it, Lillian.
Just
The
smell it.
yellow part right
You
there.
just smell
You
the
have to
yellow
skip
part.
right this one right here.
Right here, the
Smell
yellow.
it. Just get the smells off.
Hey,
Never
everybody
mind.
stay. We'll forget it.